How to add Unbounce form responses to Google Sheets automatically. So Unbounce is a landing page builder, and in my page I have also added a form and I want to collect those form details into my Google Sheets. So I'm going to do that by setting an automation in these two applications, and once the automation is ready, what will happen? Every time the form submission is received, the details will be added automatically into the Google Sheet without doing anything manually. And the best part is you do not need any coding and programming knowledge in order to set this automation. Want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Unbounce application account in which I have created a landing page. Okay, so this is the landing page in which I have also created a form, and I want to collect the form details into the Google Sheet. So here you can notice I have already created a sheet as well, and to collect the form entries into the Google Sheets, I'll have to integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as add Unbounce form responses to Google Sheets. Okay, and now simply click on create, and after that you will notice 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. Okay, so whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, now according to our use case, whenever any new form submission is received in this Unbounce application, okay, so let me search for the same, then automatically add these form responses into Google Sheets application. Okay, so that is why in this action event I will select the same application, that is Google Sheets. Okay, once you will select these applications, now you will have to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new form submission. Okay, you can even read the instruction, triggers when a new form is submitted. Okay, so what will happen? Every time a new form submission is made in Unbounce, this automation will trigger. For that I'll have to first build an integration, and I can build this integration with the help of this URL, basically connection with the help of this webhook URL. So how you can do that? Firstly you will have to read these instructions very carefully. Okay, now copy this webhook URL, and as soon as you copy this, you will see that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so I will directly take you to the dashboard of Unbounce. Here you can notice I have already created a page. Okay, now I am going to preview this page. Okay, and after that I will directly click on this overview section. Okay, so this is the overview section of this particular landing page, where you will find an option of integration. Okay, directly click on this integration section, and here exactly you will find an option of webhooks. Okay, click on that option, and here we are going to create a new webhook. All right, let's wait for this page to load. Okay, alright, so here you can notice this is the webhook section. Click on this add webhook button, and here exactly you will have to paste the same webhook URL which you have received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me paste the same, and other than that you do not have to do anything. Simply click on the save changes button, and this is how your webhook will be successfully updated. Okay, simply click on done, come back to Pabbly Connect, and let's read the instruction that it is asking. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL, and then do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new form submission. Okay, so firstly I am going to open the same form in front of you. Well, this is the same form. Let me refresh this page once. Okay, and then in front of you I am going to make a dummy submission by filling out this form. Okay, so let's provide some dummy details, something like demo as the first name, user as the last name, demo pabblytuge.com. Again, this is a dummy email address, and let me also add a dummy phone number of 10 digit. Okay, so I have added all the details asking for flat or duplex. Okay, so how about I am a user who is looking for a duplex, clicking on submit. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here I will wait for the response, and in this response you will notice all the form details. All right, so the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same page name, here we have the same page URL also. Let me show you the form responses. All right, so here we have the same dummy phone number, the last name of the person, the choice he has selected was duplex. Here we have the first name, the email address, and the date of submission. Okay, so presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Unbounce application, basically Unbounce form, and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new form submission is made in Unbounce application, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to send these form details into my Google Sheets. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, that is add a new row. Okay, so what will happen? A new row will be added, and in that row the data will be updated. Okay, so simply click on add a new connection and then click on sign in with Google. Well, I have already provided the access multiple times, so I will go with the existing connection. Okay, if you want to go with the existing connection, make sure that in the first time you will have to provide the access, and after that you can also go with the existing connection. And here you can notice my Google Sheets account is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets I have created inside my account have started visible here. Okay, so I will select this specific spreadsheet. Okay, so the name of the spreadsheet is all new inquiries leads for house. Okay, make sure the spelling should be correct, inquiries. Yes, it is looking good. Okay, so let me select the same. Well, it is visible at the top only because this is the most recent spreadsheet I have created into my account. And in the select sheet also you will notice that we have a single sheet only, so that is why it has got selected automatically. And as soon as you select your spreadsheet, you will notice that these fields will vary as per the columns you have added into your spreadsheet. Okay, so here you can notice we have added these 5 columns, so the same 5 fields, the same 5 columns are visible here. So from here exactly we are going to add the details into these columns. Okay, now from where we will add this detail? Okay, so remember we have just captured the data, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data one by one and paste in these fields. Okay, I'm going to map this data. Okay, so mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now add that data, and this is how the details will be mapped, and in the same way I'm going to map other details also. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so if you will map any detail here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Yes, with every new form submission data, these details will be replaced automatically. These details will keep on changing. Okay, but if you will provide any value, specify, if you will provide any value manually here, this detail will remain same for every single submission. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Now I have provided all the details. Simply clicking on this button, and once the response is received here, I will go back to my spreadsheet and will check whether the detail has been updated or not. Alright, here you can notice the response is received. Let me go back, and here you can see that the name, basically the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number, and the choice he has selected, all the form details have been added here into my spreadsheet. Okay, so that means our automation is working absolutely fine. And now onwards what will happen? Once you will set this automation inside Pabbly Connect, every time a new form submission is received in your Unbounce form, the details will be added to Google Sheets automatically without doing anything manually. Yes, you do not have to do anything manually. Simply set an automation, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach this link into my description box. Okay, so you will have to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, that too for free, and after that you will be also able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.